Childcare Gurus!
Hooray! Welcome back on our YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, I am Rowena and I am operating my home-based daycare for more than 4 years now. And we are doing our daycare space renovation. So for this video, we will show you a simple wall design ideas for your daycare space. And if you want to see the full video of our daycare space renovation on the basement, I will put it on the description below. And if you are looking at my background, this is the DIY chalkboard wall that we created before. If you want to see the video of it, it will be on the description below as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy and get some ideas on this video. We will be happy to see you on the next step of the daycare space renovation. And again, thank you so much. Hooray!